Dinosaur. 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 Eat.
Okay. That's a brush. What are fossils? It can be a bone, like your tooth, leaf. It could be a footprint. Okay, keep digging. Dig, dig, dig. See? Look at the dinosaur bone. It's inside the dirt, the soil. Dig it. Yes, yes. Tooth, dinosaur tooth. It's a replica. It's not real. It's not real. Yes, but it's a replica.
Replica. T-Rex. Replica.
There are many ways that fossils form, but the fossils of animals' hard body parts like bones, teeth, exoskeletons, and shells are usually made when an animal dies. The soft parts of animals' skin, this is your skin, and we have organs like our heart. Yeah, organs and fur.
Hot.
And what kind of dinosaur do you like?
Do you like T-Rex?
Yeah. People who dig up dinosaur fossils are called paleontologists.
I want to do it.
Oh.
Corpulite.
Yeah. Corpulite. Ah. The very smallest were not bigger than a pigeon. Oh! Dinosaur fossils have been found on every continent, including Antarctica. Really? Maybe. We're not sure how big it is and where it is. I'm thinking it's in the middle. What do you think? Is it inside here? It is? You see it? Where? Oh! Is that it?
Yes.
Is that the tooth?
Yeah.
Show mommy. Touch it. I'll put it in a bag for you. You can put it in this bag. You want to go home?
I don't want to go. Ow! Ow!
Ouch!
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Or just dig it from here. Oh! It came out!
T-Rex too!
It's not a horn. Not a horn. Okay.
Dinosaur. T-Rex too. Replica.